If you want to become a powerful and confident public speaker, there's 4 things that you need to do. And these 4 things are what all the best speakers in the world do. And I'm going to share those 4 things with you right now. And before I do that, I just want to ask you, firstly, do you want to become a powerful public speaker? The kind of speaker that has rock star confidence, that knows that they can deliver every single time? Or do you want to become a kind of speaker that makes a big impact? The kind of speaker that's seen by thousands or millions of people on TV shows, radio shows, podcasts, magazines, on stages in front of thousands? If your answer to those 2 questions is yes, come and hang out with us. Whatever you need, we have for you. We are a one-stop shop at the StandOut Speakers Academy, and our mission is to help you, to empower you to get your message out there to the world. So click the link, come to some of our events, come hang out with us. We'd love to get to know you and your story and your message, and hopefully you'll speak on our stage soon. That would be fantastic. So click the link and see you at our next event.